I mix brisket with ground beef to make this. Howdy everybody, welcome back to Outnumbered Barbecue. Heim Barbecue in Fort Worth, Texas has a popular burger called the Heim Burger. Basically, it's a hamburger patty mixed with smoked brisket and bacon bourbon jam. And I'm going to show you how to make it. We'll start with making our brisket hamburger patties. I have here 1 pound leftover brisket, chopped up. And to that, I'll add 2 pounds ground beef. 2-to-1 ratio, 2 parts ground beef, 1 part smoked brisket. And once that's thoroughly mixed, we'll go ahead and make our 1/4 pound hamburger patties. And I'll go ahead and weigh out a 4-ounce meatball. And we'll use our hamburger press to make 1/4 pound patties. Just like that. Perfect hamburger patties every time. Now I'll go ahead and make 11 more of these, and I'll bring you back when I'm done. And here we have our stack of 1/4 ounce patties. These need to go in the fridge at least an hour. This will allow the hamburger meat to bind with the brisket so it don't fall apart on the grill. And speaking of grills, I'll be cooking this today on the Monument Grills Mesa series. Link in the description below. Those brisket hamburger patties have been in the fridge about an hour. Let's go ahead and get started on the bacon bourbon jam. Now, Heim Barbecue uses leftover bacon burned ends for their bourbon jam. Since I don't have any leftover bacon burned ends, I'll be using this campfire bacon from H-E-B. Go ahead and chop this up, add it to the hot pan. I do have a video on my channel on how to make those bacon burned ends from Heim Barbecue. Check it out in the description below. We'll just let these cook down until they're almost crispy. These are looking good. I'll go ahead and take out the bacon, leaving the bacon grease behind. We'll use that to cook the onions. We don't need quite that much bacon grease. We'll go ahead and pour some out. That looks about right. Now we'll add 1 chopped yellow onion. And a little bit of salt and pepper. And we'll just let these cook down about 10 minutes or so. Now that the onions are starting to caramelize, we'll go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. We'll start with 3 cloves chopped garlic. Give that a mix. About a 1/4 cup Buffalo Trace bourbon. Make sure to turn the flame off first. At this point, we'll add back in our cooked bacon. Then add 1/4 cup brown sugar, about 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, a 1/4 cup maple syrup, and 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. Now we just let this cook down about 20 to 30 minutes till it gets a nice jammy consistency. This window on the Monument Grill is awesome for letting you check on its progress. And after about 20 minutes, this is what it should look like. We'll go ahead and take this off the heat, put this inside, let it cool, and we'll get our burger started. The grill's nice and hot. Let's go ahead and get our burgers on. Add a little salt and pepper. And I'll be cooking these to about a medium, about 140 degrees internal, about 3 to 4 minutes each side. Go ahead and toast our buns while we're waiting. After about 4 minutes, we'll give these a flip. Once they hit an internal temperature of about 130 degrees, we'll add our cheese and let it coast on up to 140. I can't wait any longer. Let's go ahead and cut into one of these burgers and have a taste. Definitely a juicy burger. Look at that. Let's get a taste. You can definitely taste that smoky brisket, and that sweet and salty bacon bourbon jam takes it to the next level. That's a great burger. Well, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button below, hit that subscribe button. I'm loving cooking on this Monument Grills Mesa series grill. Check out that link in the description below. Pick yourself up your own Mesa series grill. Once again, thanks for watching.